Good day everyone! For this video, we are going to present how we did this logo from Desmos. The logo we chose is from the University of Pittsburgh. This university is from the state of Pennsylvania in USA. So I am here to explain all the equations that we use in circles. The first thing we did is the outlining of the logo. So for the outline of the logo, we use the equation of x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equals to 19. For the second circle of the outline, we use the equation of x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equals to 116. For the third circle, which is this one, we use the equation of x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equals to 108. For the fourth one, which is the inner part, we use the equation of x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equals to 68. For the circles in the shield, the three circles, on the left side, we use the equation of x plus 2.48 squared plus y minus 2.54 squared is equals to 0.478. For the right side of the circle, the equation of this is x minus 2.48 squared plus y minus 2.54 squared is equals to 0.478. For the bottom part, which is this one, the last circle is x plus 0 squared plus y plus 2.87 squared is equals to 0.478. For the next one, Jocelyn will explain this part.
In order to form the shield-like structure, we need to use a lot of equation. Kagaya na lang nitong nasa upper part, we use the equation of y is equals to 4.60, negative 5.13 is less than to x, less than to 5.13. Ang sunod is yung left part ng outer part ng shield. We use the equation of x is equals to negative 5.13, 0.9 is less than to y, is less than to 4.6. Kinailangan rin namin gumamit ng mga slant line, and we use the equation of x is equals to negative y over 10.01 minus 5.051. 0 is less than to y and is less than to 0.9. Sunod naman sa bottom part, x is equals to negative 5.0051 minus y over 5. Negative 1 is less than to y and is less than to 0. Kinailangan rin namin gumamit ng curved lines, and the equation na ginamit namin sa outer part is y is equals to 1.98 raised to 0.542 times absolute value of x minus 7.2 negative 4.7 is less than to x less than to 4.7.
So sa part naman dun sa may loob ng shield, nakapaloob lang dun is yung horizontal and vertical line. Siyempre, except dun sa may circle. So, kahit yung box, consist lang siya ng vertical and horizontal line. So, example is yung unang guhit. So, yung equation ng guhit na to is x is equals to negative 4.46. Yung limitation niya is y is greater than 1.25 but less than 4. Actually, lahat ng guhit na yan, dito sa may upper part, yung mga guhit-guhit na yan, is pare-parehas lang sila ng limitation. So, tinatansya lang namin siya para masaktuhan dun sa may drawing or sa may outline. So, para naman kung gusto mong, or para mas mapadali hindi nang paulit-ulit na mag-isip ng equation, ita-transfer mo lang siya. So, yung paraan na pag-transfer or pagkuha or pag-copy is gagayahin mo lang yung sa may kaninang equation. Then, ang gagawin mo lang is iibahin mo yung sign. So, ang magiging result nito is x is equals to 4.46. Then, yung limitation nila is y is greater than 1.25 but less than 4. Sa may box naman po, so, nagko-consist po siya ng horizontal and vertical line. Sa may vertical line muna tayo. Ay, horizontal. Sige, vertical. So, yung equation niyan is y is equals to 1. Then, yung limitation niya is x is greater than negative 3.95 but less than negative 3.3. So, sa kabila naman, para magaya, is iibahin mo din yung sign. So, magiging y is equals to y is equals to 1. Then, yung limitation niya is x is greater than 3.3 but less than 3.93. Sa vertical line naman po tayo. Tapos yung equation niya is x is equals to negative 3.95. Then yung limitation niya is y is greater than 0.4 but less than 1. So katulad ulit ng kanina, iibahin lang natin sign para meron din sa kabila. So ang magiging result is x is equals to 3.94. Then, y is greater than 0.4 but less than 1.
Next is the letters that you can see inside of the logo. In order to outline those letters, we need to use a particular equation. The equation that we will be using is y equals mx b for the horizontal line, while x equals my plus b for the vertical line. To facilely plot and determine the measurements of every lines, you can click the sliders under the equation, which is the m and b. Using these two, it will be easier for you to estimate the size of the line and the slanting position. For instance, the letter I. The measurement of the line that is in the upper part is x equals negative 19.65 plus 1.7, and the bracket is the measurement of the line, which is y is greater than 8.5 but is less than 8.908. While for the slanting position, y equals 8.5 for the brackets, inside of it is x is greater than negative 5.2 but is less than negative 4.97. The vertical part from the left side is y is equals to negative 1.75 x minus 0.2 in the closing brackets. Negative 4.97 is less than x, but x is less than negative 4.45. While the lower part of the slanting position is x is equals to negative 9.87 plus y over 1.4, and the closing brackets is y is greater than 7.386 but than 7.588. And lastly, the lower part, which is the horizontal line, the equation is the x is equals to negative 17.15 plus 1.7y in the closing brackets. Y is greater than 7.386 but less than 7.77. While for the right side of the horizontal line is y equals to 1.75x plus 0.5, in the closing brackets is x is greater than negative 4.67
but less than negative 4.50. So here is the castle part in the logo. I will show you how I made this. So first is this part. Most of the equation here is straight line and horizontal line. So for example, this part is x equals negative 1.65. So it's basically x equals just a value of x, value of y. So here in this part it is actually a linear equation. So the equation is x equals to negative 2.53 plus y over 40. And kung hanggang saan yung linya niya, so ito yun, it's 6.65. Y is greater than 6.65 but less than 7.164. So, same here. It's a linear equation. All the slant parts, they're all linear equation. They're straight lines. This part is curve 1. So this is the equation of this. It is y equals negative x squared over 5 times 0.19 plus 5.9. And the bracket where it should stop is negative 0.567. X is greater than negative 0.567 but less than 0.567, positive 567. So that's it. It's just easy. Then after that, next we're going to this part, the leaf part, yung mga dahon. So first is how did I make this? So I use this formula, this one, y equals mx plus b. So I'm gonna show you how did I do it. So here is the graph. This is a linear equation of it. So here is the line. So let's make it black for it is easier to see. Then okay, since m equals to 1, so we're gonna move it. So let's see it rotates. Umikot siya. Then okay, let's guess this is it, and then let's move it to the leaves. So let's change this to 17 or 18. Okay, 18. So see how close it is. See how it slants. So let's move it, and then so there it is. It's a slant and it's closer than it looks. So there, that's the part. And same din sa iba. Ganun din. Just move this, and you'll get the equation you need to. So that's it. Hope this will help you. So thank you for watching.